Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I am going to show you how to increase or decrease the quantity of mouse gestures as well as how to customize keyboard shortcut keys. For that, right click here and select Customize Command Manager. In Customize Command Manager, select Shortcut Bars tab, and from this tab you can select and then drag and drop any of these commands to the tab in which you want to add it. Let me add the line command in the Features tab. For that, drag and drop this line command in Features tab. Now specify location and drop it. Same process for other tabs. Any command you can select and then drag and drop into that tab. If you want to delete it, right click on it and select delete button. For keyboard shortcuts, click on keyboard tab here. To apply new shortcut key to your desired command, just click on the box in shortcut column in front of that command and then press your desired shortcut key. If your desired shortcut key is already assigned, the program will show you a message like this: is already assigned to command. Now if you want to replace this new shortcut key, press yes button, or if you do not want to replace it, press no button. So next option is mouse gestures. So let me show you what are the mouse gestures. When you right click on the screen and drag your mouse, these four options appear. These are called mouse gestures. To change the quantity of these mouse gestures, right click here and again Customize Command Manager and then mouse gestures. Select 8 gestures instead of 4 gestures and apply or press OK button. Now right click and drag and you can see now 8 commands are appearing. Again Customize Command Manager and mouse gestures. Now these 4 columns are here: part column, assembly column, drawing column and sketch column. The white color shows that no gesture has been applied to this command. This dark color shows that the gesture has been applied. If you want to apply a new gesture, now let's suppose I want to apply a mouse gesture to open command in part column. So press on this arrow and select the gesture position and then click on it. The gesture will be applied. Thanks for watching and sparing time for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell button to get notified for all upcoming videos.